Today I'm going to share with you one of my new favorite products. This is the MINTSONIC Facial Cleansing Brush. You can use this on your body as well, so you don't have to just use it on your face. I know some people, get breakouts on their shoulders, on their back. Your back might be a little bit hard to reach, but you get the point. I just want to let you guys know that as a licensed esthetician, I obviously really care about skin. What I'm putting on my skin, how I'm caring for my skin, and anything that I can possibly share with you, I definitely want to do so. Let me just tell you a little bit about the MINTSONIC. So this is a facial cleansing brush. This is made out of FDA grade silicone, so it's not going to harbor bacteria like most brushes with actual bristles do. This is gonna be a lot more clean. It's antibacterial. You're not, using this over and over again and reapplying bacteria into your follicles. That is my main thing that I want to get across with this. That's probably the most important thing to me is cleanliness. I mean, if you're gonna use a brush that harbors bacteria, then what's the point? That's what I really love about this. It's very easy to clean. You just wash it with soap and water afterwards, and then you can stand it up like this to dry, or you can pat dry it with a towel. I think it's an absolutely amazing product. I think that everybody should have one of these. This is going to gently exfoliate your skin while it is deep cleaning your pores from oils, impurities, makeup, anything like that. You can turn it up and you can turn it down. The power button is here in the middle, and this side is good for massage. So if you want to kind of get like an anti-aging effect and kind of just stimulate your muscles, this side is going to be really great for massage as opposed to the smaller bristles that are going to cleanse your skin. You can use the back side to kind of massage your eyebrows and kind of give yourself like a little instant lift. It is very invigorating using this. Like once you cleanse your skin, you feel so energetic and your skin looks so healthy afterwards. It makes your skin look more youthful. But I do want to say that this has helped improve my skin. I think it's super adorable. The color is really cute as well. This is USB chargeable. It does have a lithium ion battery. This is the cord, so you can plug it into like a charging block or your laptop. I also wanted to let you guys know that you don't have to just use a cleanser with this. You can use serums, you can use creams, scrubs, exfoliates, anything like that. Anything basically skincare wise that you can apply to your face, you can use with this. I like to use it on my lips a little bit as well. It kind of just brings the blood flow to your lips, making them a little bit more plump. This is also great for any skin type. So if you have sensitive skin, even mild rosacea, this is still going to be really good for you. If you have mild rosacea, maybe just turn it down as much as you possibly can. See what you can kind of be comfortable with. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. I will be more than happy to answer them for you. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.